This video shows gptgen address errors and fixes. Here are some CMD we found from another video. It reports the system cannot find the path specified. We tried another address and this one still won't work. It's because there's no such GPT folder on your PC. You need to download it to your computer at first. You may search it. Download it to your PC. Wait here. It takes a while. And then open the folder. You need to put it to another place, since the empty space may cause the failure. Or it won't work. Let's try. Now this is the downloaded address. Copy its address. And then paste it in your text document. Now let's try this address. It's still not working. It says it's not recognized as an internal or external command. It failed because you forgot to add cd. Well, this time we'll use this one. It also says the system cannot find the path specified. Let's try moving the whole folder to another place. You may copy it to another place. Here we paste it to desktop. And then open it, copy its address. And then paste it. This one will not work if you go without cd. Add the cd before the address, and then copy this one. Paste and enter. Now it's working. This is the correct address. Now it's the time to use the gptgen command. It starts with gptgen.exe. The drive 1 means disk 1. You need to check the disk number in your disk management. We test disk 1 to get it changed to GPT. We converted to MBR for test use. Now it shows MBR. Copy the code. Pasted it and press enter. Now it reports success. Check the disk properties. And it shows GPT. Well, here is another free tool. We need to test it, which is better easy of use. It offers better UI. We need to convert the disk MBR at first to test it. This free tool has Convert MBR to GPT option. You just click it and then click Apply Changes. And then the disk becomes GPT. It shows GPT now. Regarding to the disk number, Drive 0 means the system disk. It includes the bootable drive. If you want to change the boot disk to GPT, you need to be more cautious. The disk 0 is here. Let's try converting the system disk GPT. Press Enter. Type Y to confirm the conversion. It reports success. Well, you need to change the BIOS from legacy to UEFI. In order to make the OS bootable, currently the disk shows GPD, but the OS may not boot if you don't change the BIOS. Restart your computer to change the BIOS. Here we restarted it. Well, we failed to find the boot BIOS setting in our VMware. There's no legacy in our VMware machine. So, we have no choice. The system cannot boot.